Hello students, welcome to all of you in English class. Today's topic invitation. Under writing section, there will be a question based on invitation. So today we'll discuss about the topic invitation in our class. Title as Invitation and Replies. Invitation is a spoken or written request made to somebody to do something. A written request is generally made on a card or a piece of paper to invite somebody to an occasion or event. It is quite common these days to hold parties or functions at personal level. Parties are organized generally to celebrate birthdays, wedding anniversaries, engagements, and weddings. Accordingly, invitations are sent to friends, relatives, and acquaintances to attend these functions. To respond to an invitation is considered an essential part of social etiquette. So people do send written replies to these invitations. Types of invitations and replies. Dear friends, the invitations and replies are divided into 6 parts based on formal and informal. So first of all, the first step is about invitation. Second one is acceptance of the invitation. And third one is decline or refusal of the invitation. So all these 3 main parts has 2 different parts now. And these are called formal and informal. For example, first of all, we talk about invitation. So this is divided into 2 parts. Formal invitation, informal invitation. After that, if a person accepts the invitation, so this is also divided into 2 parts. Formal acceptance and informal acceptance. Next one. Suppose if a person is unable to accept the invitation and he refuses the invitation, so there are also 2 ways to refuse the invitation. For example, formal refusal and informal refusal. Now let's discuss about different samples of invitation. First one, the sample of formal invitation, to invite somebody in a formal way. Question is, draft a formal invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. K. Mahajan on the occasion of their daughter marriage. So these formal invitations are like that. We receive these invitations in our daily life about marriages, functions, any other programs, etc. So now, here is one format of formal invitation. So let's have a look at this formal invitation. Mr. and Mrs. K. Mahajan request the pleasure of your benign presence on the occasion of their daughter's marriage. Sonam weds Mahesh, son of Mr. and Mrs. R. K. Soni. House number 312, Model Town, Karnal. At their residence, house number 45, Sector 14, Urban State, Karnal. Venue, Vir Complex. Program: डिनर 8 PM, डोली तारों की छाँव में. RSVP 45 Urban State, Karnal. With best compliments or relatives and friends. So this was example of formal invitation. Now next one is informal invitation. Informal invitation is written just like a letter. There is question based on informal invitation. Imagine you are A.J. Arora. Your daughter has cleared medical entrance exam. Your family is elated at this achievement and decide to have a get-together for all friends. Draft an informal invitation for this get-together. So first of all, write sender address on left-hand side, then date, then salutation, and then the matter of the invitation. We are happy to inform you that our daughter Ankita has cleared medical entrance exam held recently. And to the occasion, the family has decided to arrange a get-together at our residence on 15 April 2020 at 5 PM. So there will be a tea party followed by dance and music. So please join us in the celebration. Yours sincerely, A.J. Arora. So in this class we discussed about formal invitation and informal invitation. So in our next class we will discuss about the acceptance and the decline.